In light of escalating military tension between India and Pakistan, heightened security measures have been observed along several key border areas between Bangladesh and India. Reports indicate that the Indian Border Security Force (BSF) has been allegedly pushing Muslim civilians from India into Bangladeshi territories amid the conflict. In response, Bangladesh Border Guard (BGB) has significantly reinforced its presence along the Sylhet-Sunamganj border region. These areas adjacent to inside Meghalaya state are witnessing increased vocality. Forces confirmed that a curfew has been imposed across three districts in Meghalaya. The BGB has deployed extra force in the Sylhet-Sunamganj border area. Local forces report that surveillance and patrol have been intensified. A senior BGB official stated, "We are maintaining maximum vigilance along all sensitive border points." Authorities have also advised residents in border villages remain alert. The Bangladesh government is monitoring the situation and communicating with Indian authorities through diplomatic channels. Tupajon Hussain, TP Channel 24, Sunamganj, Sylhet.